Hello friends and welcome. In this lesson, we will explain the Boolean data type in Python. The Boolean data type has only two possible values, true and false. A true value is used to represent yes, while a false value is used to represent no. Remember that true and false are reserved keywords in Python, which means they cannot be used as variable names. When you need to declare a variable where its value can only be yes or no, the suitable data type to use is Boolean. For instance, if we need to know a user status, we can use isActive equals true. Similarly, to determine if a student has graduated, we can use isGraduate equals false. We can use the type function to determine the type of the variables. Point type isActive. Let's execute the program. The type function shows that the type of the variable is bool. Apart from assigning a true or false value to a variable directly, we can also determine the value from any evaluation that returns a Boolean data type. For example, isActive equals 6 greater than 5. Point type isActive. The expected data type is bool. This shows that the data type is bool. Here is another example. Starts with arg equals read1 dot starts with arg. Point starts with arg. Point type starts with arg. The start with method is used to check if a string starts with a particular substring. In this case, read1 starts with letter arg, so the expected result is true. The type of variable starts with arg is expected to be a bool. Let's execute the program. Great, the result is true, and also the type of the variable is bool. The bool function is used to convert a value to a boolean. If true value is passed to it, it returns true. It returns false if the parameter or value passed is false. X equals bool true, y equals bool false. Point x, point y. Let's run the program. Whenever true is passed to bool, it returns true, but when the value passed is false, it returns false. When the bool function is used with a numeric data type, such as an integer, it returns true for all non-zero values and false for 0. For instance, point bool 5, point bool minus 5, point bool 0. Let's run the program and see the result. The first two evaluations are true, while the third is false. A sequence is any data type that holds collection of items or elements. For example, a string data type is a sequence because it can contain multiple elements. X equals to bool. What we have here is a string data type. Y equals to bool empty string. Point x, point y. If a sequence is not empty, it returns true when the bool function is used with it. If it is an empty sequence, such as an empty string, it returns false. Let's execute the program and see the result. The first result is true because this is not an empty string, while the second is false because it is an empty string. Aside using a string, we can also make use of other sequences, such as a list, 1, 2. This is an empty list. Let's run the program and see the result. Great. Just as we have been using arithmetic operators with numbers, we can also make use of arithmetic operators when dealing with Boolean data types. True is equivalent to 1 and false is equivalent to 0. So we can perform arithmetic operations with the Boolean data types. Result equals true plus true point result. True is equivalent to 1. The expected output here is 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let's execute the program. Great. We can also make use of the minus sign. True minus true, which is 1 minus 1, the result will be 0. Great. We can also say true minus false. That will be 1 minus 0. The result is 1. Let's run the program. Great. We can make use of all the arithmetic operators. True, which is 1, multiplied by false. That will be 1 multiplied by 0. The result will be 0. That is all for now on the Boolean data type. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.